my name is Jose, and my YouTube channel's name is Arroyo JK. I like to tinker, fix things, and improvise. And my wife's cousin, Jose, gave me this this iMAC 2009 version to fix it because it wasn't working. And what I did was I changed the hard drive, and this thing is enclosed completely. It's got this glass cover, and you have to take this off. It's held down by magnetic strips on the sides, and you gotta be very careful because either taking it out or putting it back on, you might break it, and that's what I did. I broke it. It cracked it all the way down diagonally as I was putting it in. I changed the hard drive on it, put a bigger hard drive, and reset the computer. Put the 2009 OS version that it goes with, because it will not work with anything more up to date. And I purchased a new screen. I just received it today. I'm going to be installing that. And like I said, I like to improvise, and I used one of these like a sun shield car. I don't have the actual little suction cups you use to take these glasses off, so I took these off that. So that's what I'm going to be using. So what I need to do is put one here, one over here. You gotta be very careful when the glass is flying, but this one's cracked, so I'm just have to be careful not to cut myself. Just got to exert a little bit of pressure. Okay, let me improvise again here. Get some. So this works. That's not going to work. Take this one off. See? Yeah, that's not going to work. Oh, yeah, it did work. So now, let's take this off. And see, it's cracked. The problem I had when I installed this last time is that when I put this in, one of these did not latch properly. And it was sitting, it was this one right here, and it was sitting like this. Somehow it got caught like that. When I closed it down, it was okay. But then I didn't like that, so when I pulled it off, since it was not level on the surface, it was a little cocked. And when I pulled it up with the suction cups, it just snapped. I was like, oh goodness. All right, so let's just get this out of the way. Very careful, I don't want to break this other one. I'm using gloves so I don't put any of my fingerprints on the back, because last time I had fingerprints all over the place. All right, you can see. Let's get this one off first. All right, I'm going to take these plastic covers off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got the plastic cover off. Need you to use both hands. Okay. Very carefully, make sure everything is in line where it's supposed to be. Okay. And now we gotta let this down. It's gotta be firm. Everything is lined up. That's it. Okay. I'm gonna take. Voila. Nice. Now I don't have that annoying crack staring at me as I'm using the PC. Alright. So this is Jose with my YouTube channel is Royal JK. And go check my channel out. There's a lot of things I've done. I got an R2D2 flight simulator, green screen video. I mean, I just like to have fun. Alright, so take care, have fun.